Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to view or to access to the archived list in your boards or workspace in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your web application and then just connect with your Trello account, and if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google or Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise, you can just sign up with a new email and create your account. So after you access successfully to your Trello workspace, you will need just to follow the simple steps. So now the thing that we are doing is going to our boards and choose a board where you want to archive its lists or where you have archived items. And let's have this list, for example, and I'm going to archive this list. And basically, I do not have it now. So basically, to see our archived items, you will need to go to the settings of your board. So we are going to click on this 3 point action. We go back, we search for more action, and now we are going to search for archived items. And basically, we need to find the switch to lists, and now we are going to see the lists that are archived. And if you click to switch to cards, you will see the cards that are archived. So basically now you can send to board again if you want, but this is the way or the method to see the archived list. So basically, this is how you can view your archived list in your boards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.